Are you tired of using other link shorteners that may expire the short link and do not redirect the link anymore to your destination? Do you want to create your own link shortener from inside your WordPress blog? Now I have the solution. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. If you don't know me, I create premium WordPress plugins and sell them on Codecamp. So let me show you a plugin I created that will allow you to create your own link shortener from inside a WordPress blog you own. So as an example, I will use this ClickBank affiliate link. So as you can see, it is very ugly. It is a hop link from ClickBank. And as it is very ugly and customers don't prefer to click on ugly links. So let me copy this and go to our WordPress blog where we have the Icarus plugin installed, and this is the main menu of it. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will see the rules manager part. Here you can define a URL from your blog which will be used as a short link, and the destination. So let's simply paste the ClickBank affiliate link here, and here we should enter a name for our redirect that we can use on our blog. So because this is a grenade, a survival grenade, let's enter grenade like this. All we have to do is click Save Settings and check how the redirect will work. Grenade. And it is redirected to the ClickBank affiliate link, but the plugin went through our affiliate link and we earn affiliate commissions from this. Okay, so this is all. Also, the nice part of it is that you can define restrictions. So if you want to create advanced redirect rules, you can define from which device you want to create this redirect only. So if the customer uses any of these devices, only then will the redirect work for him. Which operating system, if he's logged in or logged out, IP address, username, country, language, browser, user agent, hours, and many more. So keep in mind, this is how you will be able to create your own link shortener from inside WordPress. I will link in this video's description to allow you to check on the plugin. I will link to the plugin in the description. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more similar tutorial videos, and have a great day. Bye bye.